Tesla drew inspiration not just from science, but from ancient history. He was fascinated by the Great Pyramid of Giza, not just its size or symmetry, but its location. It sits near the exact point where the longest line of latitude and the longest line of longitude intersect, placing it at the very center of Earth's landmass. Tesla believed this wasn't accidental. He thought the pyramid's placement, proportions, and internal structure were all part of a larger design, an energy design. He hypothesized that the pyramid wasn't just a tomb, but a massive energy collector designed to tap into the Earth's natural electric currents, telluric currents, that flow through the crust. That's almost exactly what Tesla was trying to achieve with Wardenclyffe, using the Earth itself to transmit power. And the similarities don't stop there. Both the pyramid and Wardenclyffe Tower were built with deep grounding systems. The pyramid has subterranean chambers, shafts, and tunnels, features some believe had functional purposes beyond ceremony. Likewise, Tesla's tower had massive underground components meant to connect it directly to the planet's energy field. The parallels are too precise to ignore. Tesla once said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." That quote becomes even more fascinating when you pair it with what's happening today. In recent years, scientists have used synthetic aperture radar, or SAR, to scan the Great Pyramid like never before. By analyzing micro-movements caused by background seismic waves, researchers created 3D models of the pyramid's interior without ever stepping inside. What they found: previously unknown voids, chambers, and deep underground networks beneath the Giza Plateau. Some studies suggest structures may exist as deep as 2,100 feet below the surface. In 2024, a joint seismic radar study uncovered what might be a vast complex beneath the pyramid, complete with tunnels and large chambers. Another project revealed a void above the Grand Gallery, a space no one had ever seen before. These discoveries have reignited the question: were the pyramids just tombs or something more? Of course, mainstream Egyptologists, like Dr. Zahi Hawass, still argue that the pyramids were burial sites, nothing more. But when you line up Tesla's theories with these findings, things start to look different. And Tesla's fascination with the pyramids didn't end with their structure. He also studied their geometry and noticed the presence of the golden ratio, 1.618, a proportion found throughout nature and ancient architecture. He believed this ratio wasn't just beautiful, it was functional, capable of amplifying energy when used in design. So Tesla began incorporating similar proportions into his own projects, believing that alignment with natural patterns could enhance energy flow. And he didn't stop there. Tesla was also deeply into numerology, especially the numbers 3, 6, and 9. He believed these numbers held the key to unlocking the universe's deepest secrets. He had bizarre habits, walking around buildings 3 times before entering, using 18 napkins to clean his utensils, and only staying in hotel rooms divisible by 3. He once said, "If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe." And wouldn't you know it? Those same numbers are embedded in the dimensions and angles of the Great Pyramid. Was Tesla seeing something hidden in plain sight? And then comes the strangest part of all. In the summer of 1899, Tesla was alone in his Colorado Springs lab, using a massive transmitter to study thunderstorms. One night, he picked up something different. Rhythmic, structured pulse, mathematical in nature. He believed they were coming from space. Tesla later said, "The feeling that I am the first to hear greetings from another planet is constantly growing in me." He believed the signals might be coming from Mars or Venus, and it shifted his perspective on the universe. From that moment, Tesla became convinced we weren't alone, and that communication across planets was possible using the same wireless energy principles he was experimenting with. It's no surprise that conspiracy theories followed. When Tesla died in 1943, his blueprints and notebooks mysteriously disappeared. The FBI seized them within hours of his death. Publicly, they claimed there was nothing useful in them. Privately, the documents were classified as top secret. Some researchers believe Tesla had developed technology far beyond what we're capable of today, and that his ideas about energy, resonance, and planetary communication were suppressed because they posed a threat to the existing power systems, both economic and political. There are theories that Tesla may have received knowledge from an extraterrestrial source, that he was one of a few chosen individuals throughout history who tapped into a higher level of understanding. Visionaries like Da Vinci, Galileo, Einstein, and Tesla. Whether or not you believe in aliens, here's what we do know. Tesla believed energy wasn't just a resource, it was a universal language. He thought the Earth, the stars, and even ancient monuments were part of a larger system, one that used frequency, geometry, and location to connect everything. And with today's technology, SAR scans, seismic imaging, satellite tomography, we're finally starting to uncover layers of ancient knowledge hidden in plain sight. So here's the question: was Tesla a lone genius ahead of his time? Or was he rediscovering a forgotten forgotten science, one hidden in stone, buried beneath sand, and built into the very geometry of the Earth itself. Maybe the pyramids weren't just relics. Maybe they were prototypes. And maybe Tesla didn't invent the future. He remembered the past.